Moisture inside oil can damage expensive machines like transformers and hydraulic system. In this video, we will understand moisture sensors and moisture in oil monitoring system. Hello everyone, this is Raj for Predictive TechArt, your process automation strategist. In the previous module, we have learned about flow measurement system including electromagnetic flow meters, thermal mass flow meters and positive displacement flow meters. Now, we will move to industrial important parameter, and that is moisture monitoring. Moisture measurement is very important in many industrial systems, especially when we deal with oil-based equipment and lubrication system. Because even a small amount of moisture inside oil can cause serious damage to machinery. So today we will understand moisture sensors and moisture in oil monitoring systems. Now let us understand moisture with a very simple example. Moisture simply means the presence of water in a substance. For example, water inside air is called humidity, but water inside oil is called moisture contamination. When water mixes with oil, it can affect the performance and life of equipment. That is why industries monitor moisture levels very carefully. Let's take some practical industrial examples. Power transformer use special insulating oil. This oil performs two important functions. It provides electrical insulation and also help in cooling the transformer. If the moisture enters the oil, it reduces the dielectric strength of the oil. This can lead to transformer failure. And that is why transformer oil must be controlled for moisture content. Now, hydraulic machines use hydraulic oil to transmit power. If water enters the hydraulic oil, it can cause corrosion, oil degradation, and reduce lubrication. This may damage pumps, valves, and actuators. So, moisture monitoring helps to prevent machine failure. Many industrial machines rely on lubrication oil. This oil reduces friction between moving parts. If moisture enters the oil, it may cause rust formation, reduce lubrication, performance, and bearing damage. That is why many industries monitor oil condition continuously. Now, to detect water contamination, we use moisture sensors. Moisture sensors measures the amount of water present inside oil or other fluids. This sensor detects changes in moisture concentration and convert them into electrical signals. The signals are then transmitted to monitoring system. Moisture sensors are often installed directly inside oil tanks, hydraulic systems, and transformer oil lines. A special category of sensors is called moisture in oil sensors. These sensors measure the water content inside oil. The measurement is usually expressed as relative saturation percentages or parts per million, often called as ppm. For example, a healthy oil system may have very low moisture levels, but if moisture increases, the sensor will detect the change and send an alert. Most moisture sensors work using capacitive sensing technology. The sensor element reacts to the presence of water molecules. When moisture increases, the electrical properties of the sensor change. This change is converted into a measurable signal. Typical outputs from moisture sensors includes 4 to 20 milliampere analog signals or a digital communication such as Modbus. This allows the data to be monitored by PLC system or SCADA system. Moisture monitoring systems are commonly installed in transformer oil monitoring system, hydraulic machinery, lubrication system in heavy equipment or industrial gearboxes, oil storage tanks. By continuously monitoring oil condition, industries can detect problems before equipment failure occurs. This approach is called predictive maintenance. Monitoring moisture in oil provides several benefits. First, it prevents unexpected equipment failure. Second, it helps to extend the life of machinery and oil. And third, it allows maintenance team to take action before serious damage occurs. This reduces maintenance costs and improves system reliability. Now let's take a practical example. A customer says, I want to monitor the condition of transformer oil. Now, as an application engineer, you should ask a very few important questions. Is the sensor required for continuous online monitoring? What type of output is required, 4 to 20 milliampere or more bus? Where will be the sensor is going to be installed? Based on this information, you can recommend a suitable moisture in oil monitoring system. This helps the customer to detect moisture contamination very early. In this module, we have learned what moisture contamination means, why moisture monitoring is very important in industrial oil system. We also discussed moisture sensors, moisture in oil sensors and their applications in transformer oil systems, hydraulic system, lubrication systems and many industries. Now, moisture monitoring plays an important role in equipment protection and predictive maintenance. By detecting water contamination early, industries can prevent major equipment failure. Understanding these systems will help application engineers recommend a reliable monitoring solution to the customer. In the next module, we will learn about gas measurement system including sensors for gases such as CO2 and O2. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you all in my next video.